Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to add a drop-down list in Excel, so your search ends here. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can add a drop-down list in Excel in just some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. In your spreadsheet, select the cells you want to use in the drop-down list. Either choose Data Validation from the menu bar or the Data Validation icon in the Data ribbon. The Data Validation dialog will appear. Under Validation Criteria Allow, choose List. Next, in the Source field, enter the values you want to allow, separated by commas. If the values are found in another sheet, you can also select them there by clicking the icon at the right side of the input box, then the cell or cells containing the allowed values. If you want the drop-down list to show up when you click in the cell, make sure In Cell drop-down is checked. Click OK to finalize your drop-down list. Once done, you can click the value from the drop-down list rather than typing it. Of course, you can still type the value. If you enter text that doesn't match one of the values you specified for the drop-down list, Excel will alert you to the data validation error. For this reason, it's often a good idea to make sure Ignore Blank is enabled in the data validation dialog. By using this method, you can easily add a drop-down list in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.